in this transition process, we know that this CBC program has had challenges in the introduction. Our JS classrooms, grade 9, are still being constructed today. Some of the schools don't have JS classrooms. And as we transit from JS to senior school, let the ministry also get prepared and get ready. If it is labs that are required, like the way Chevisas requires a lab, please provide those in good time for our students and learners to be prepared for the next level of learning.
We want to ask the ministry to continue investing in infrastructure in our schools. These wonderful girls, I was here a few days ago and I went to the laboratory that they use. And that laboratory is not good for, in fact, you will be surprised that we still have good grades in chemistry, in biology, in physics, even with the kind of lab that exists in our school. It doesn't, and to know that these wonderful girls are competing with students in Kapsabet who have 6, 7, or 8 laboratories, and they are going to do the same exams.